Well, how are you doing? Once again, Dan from Total Restoration Services. So we are back at the ongoing project. We have two smaller businesses moving in on this level. Things are moving along just great. As you can see, I would say 90% of that wall right there is all framed in. As we move over to the right, they're working on framing in a partition on this wall. And for now, it looks like the back wall is going to stay as is. So a lot of cleanup got done. Did a little bit work up on the ceiling, it looks like. We're doing a lot of framing in, and we're gonna go take a peek at the other room where they also did some framing and have some drywall up. Let's go take a look. All right, so we are back in the, we're gonna call it the second room. This one looks a little bit more advanced, meaning there's a lot of work that has been done here. This was just a mess. You could barely walk through it. A lot of the walls weren't done. None of the ceiling was taken care of. As you can see right now, there's a 99% of the drywall is all complete on this side. The framing is all completed down there, framing around the window. And as we make our way this way, we have some more drywall up. So this wall right here is the only wall that is left. Obviously, we have to get some more drywall put in there. Ceiling still has to be done. I said we still have a lot of work to finish up here. And things are actually looking really good. Really good. There is another room that is down this way. Take a little step over here. All right, we are through door number 2. We just came through right there. As you can see, the walls and stuff are done in that room. Over here, obviously the sticks are up. Framing is up. Door is in for an entrance. We have some more sticks up on this side. That is an exit out to a balcony. And this part over here is what we're going to leave for now. This will probably be the last part that gets done. I'm sure there's going to be some renovation here, but things are really looking good. This has all been done. This whole area that we went through within the last 2.5 days. So the crews are moving along quite well. The owners, Jason and Angie, just thank you. And Jason has been here so much for all the hard work that you've put in. Things are progressing greatly. Give us a call for all your doors, windows, siding, total restoration needs. We're here to help you. 262-334-9110. My name is Dan. We'll talk to you soon.